Top 5 Best Tube Bender for Roll Cages in 2020. Number 5. AB 101 Model Hydraulic Tube Bender by Affordable Bender. This hydraulic bender is not only manufactured by Affordable Benders, it really is an affordable hydraulic bender among all the hydraulic benders we tested. This bender is operated by an 8-ton bottle jack. A die set included in the packaging of 1 3/4 inches size and all are 7 inches radius. This bender works best for tubing of .080 to .120 wall HREW and DRW. But you can work with mild steel tubes of up to .134 wall, in case of DOM or 4130 chromoly tubes. This device can bend tubes as thin as .080 to .095 wall without any kink or flattening. Previously this tool could make angles up to 90 degree, but the latest version can bend tubes up to 110 degree. For testing, we picked a .080 DOM tube to give it a 110 degree bend. This bender did the job perfectly without any flattening or kink on the tube. Though, lining up the center mark of the tube and ensuring accuracy of the angle was confusing at first. So, we decided to add a pointer on the leg and a digital angle finder. This saved us from overbending the tube and made taking readings easier. The finished result is a flawless bend of .080 DOM tube without any hint of kink or flat spot. Then we realized how all the roll cages made with this bender passed the NHRE, SCORE and SCCA technical inspections. You can make it even more versatile by buying other dies for tubes of different size and shape. They have 5-inch radius dies of 1 inches and 1 1/4 inches and 7 inches radius dies of 1 1/2 inches, 1 5/8, 1 3/2 inches. Dies for square tubes are also available. Anyone can be a master of making not only roll cages, but also other DIY structures for greenhouse, bow trailing and many more with this. Get professional results and affordable price with AB 105 1 3/4 inches hydraulic tube bender from Affordable Benders. Coming in number 4. Manual Pipe Tube Bender by Mophorn. Why one should invest in a manual tube bender? These benders are portable, affordable and lightweight, that is why. A manual tube roll bender is much easier to handle than hydraulic ones. Meet Manual Pipe Tube Bender from Mophorn. This little tube roll bender can do all kind of bending with some added benefit. One is, it comes with 7 dies ranging from 3/8 to 1 inch size. With this lightweight bender, you can bend pipes and tubes from 0.8 mm to 2.0 mm thickness. Building your roll cage will be extremely exhaust-free using Mophorn Pipe Tube Bender. When we tested this bender, its long handle worked swiftly and efficiently. Neither had it require much space nor high maintenance in our garage. But the product is not polished like the expensive ones. The best feature of this device is anyone can be creative and make unique roll cages or other things, because Mophorn Pipe Tube Bender will bend pipes and tubes to any angles. This bender is not just to build roll cages, it is a versatile bender in the cheapest range. Coming in number 3. Goplus 12-ton heavy-duty hydraulic tube bender. There is a top-notch performer hydraulic and manual, that's why it's the capacity to take on most bending undertakings as per its clients. It's the most valuable twisting application. This Power US manual bender is capacity to handle most normal pipe bowing employments in mechanical situations given its capacity to bend 1/2 inch to 3 inches thick round or square strong poles. 16-ton hydraulic and manual bender is utilized premium steel material. Its weight limit around 16 ton. The best feature is 6 adjustable roller levels. Bending bars can without much of a stretch be acclimated to separations of 8 1/2 inches, 11 1/4 inches, 12 inches, 16 3/4 inches, 19 1/2 inches, 22 1/2 inches, so the top roll is for the level of the curve to meet the bend of the cylinder. In addition, this Power US heavy-duty bender given the capabilities, for those looking for a well-built bending tool that is a sensible choice. Coming in number 2. Swag Off-Road Hulk. With lime green accents and a strong design, the Hulk actually gets its name from its resemblance to the monstrous superhero. Yet, although this model won't ever go on a rampage, it remains incredibly fortifiable. With every component of the tube bender manufactured in the USA, the swag roller places a heavy emphasis on quality materials. The center drive axle and the outer non-driver roller pins are entirely composed of heat-treated chrome 4340 chromoly. This strong steel alloy ensures that the machine won't ever be structurally compromised by heavy use. The Hulk has the ability to roll items that are as thick as 2 by 2 inches. 1250 wall square material. With such a large size range, it truly makes this tube roller a versatile choice. This versatility is extended by Swag's extensive die collection. Although the Hulk only includes one complementary die, the list to choose from is seemingly endless. Swag houses nearly 64 specialized dies. These include round pipe, round tube, flat bar, square, angle iron, and so many more. This vast selection ensures that every possible project can be accounted for and accommodated. Even though Swag only includes one die with their Hulk model, they do offer the option of purchasing additional dies. In fact, Swag prides themselves on having the least expensive prices of any die manufacturer in the industry. Thus, with the low price point, users are able to afford multiple die choices. One of the more notable features of the Hulk is its inclusion of a digital readout screen. This was designed to combat the minor imperfections that can occur from repeated rolling. Users use the quality brand eye gauging system to simply gather measurements of their first piece of tubing. These measurements include the distance of the downward travel displayed on the digital readout and the location of the outer dies. Armed with this information, it becomes incredibly easy to simply replicate this measurement on subsequent pieces of tubing. This is especially helpful if you're doing the precision-based work required by a project like roll cages. Coming in number 1. KAKA Industrial HP8. This KAKA roll cage bender is constructed with industrial strength. It's an 8-ton hydraulic tubing bender that helps create roll cages with ease. You can depend on the solid steel frame and sturdy, durable design. This well-constructed bender was created to bend chrome molybdenum and steel tubes. The 8-ton forming jack won't let you down as you produce high-precision bends. The steel forming dies combined with the cast followers don't flatten or defame your material edging. What you are left with is a professional job that others envy. With this bender, you have 5 varying dies, 3/4 inches, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 1 5/8 inches, and 1 3/4 inches diameter. This allows for maximum flexibility. It will bend up to a 90-degree angle and allows for rapid changes for superior versatility. It is a heavy unit at nearly 100 pounds, so you won't want to take this on the go with you. Still, the company stands by this piece of equipment with a 1-year warranty. Because it is hand-operated, it might not be the ideal option for all shops, especially if you need to do the same bends repetitively. We recommend this bender for any automotive enthusiast or novice mechanic that wants to create a roll cage at home.